The Happy Planner Spring release is coming on March 16th. I'm so excited. I don't know about you, but there are some really cute products in this new release. You can check out my unboxing video. I also have a playlist of all the unboxings and flip throughs. I did get a lot of product. Thank you, Happy Planner. So check out my channel for those other flip throughs. There are some codes for this release. You can save 15% off 75 with code SPRING15, 20% off $100 purchase with code SPRING20, and 25% off $150 with code SPRING25. And those codes are valid until March 20th. I would appreciate it if you'd use my affiliate link if you plan to purchase anything. That is part of my income, and I do work hard to put these videos out for you. If you don't use mine, please use another content creators because it's not going to cost you a dime, but it helps us out. So thanks for that. Let's get started on this. So in this video, I'm going to be flipping through and reviewing the new Nordic Brights Collection from the Happy Planner. There are other products in this collection, I am sure, but these are the three that I received. I have a classic monthly Happy Planner, a sticker book, and some washi tape. So let's look at one thing at a time. Let's check out the planner first. I like to do the stickers last because that's my favorite. One thing I mentioned in my unboxing video that's new is Happy Planner had a rebrand. So you can see the covers look different. This looks different here. Even their logo is different. This is an 18-month classic Happy Planner in the monthly layout. Like I said, it starts in July 2023 and goes until December 2024. So the way they package this is different as well. The information is now on the outside about the planner. Remember how they would put a little sheet in here telling you about it? Well, now it's here. So you have two different little tabs here that tells you about it. This one tells you about the monthly layout, and then this one tells you about the disc bound system in general. I think that's pretty cool. I like the little tabs. This planner has plastic discs. They're gold. And look at this cover, you guys. Colorful days ahead. This has a Scandinavian kind of feel in these illustrations, and I love that so much. I love that style. It's bright and colorful, and this is just so me. So the cover's really pretty. Inside of the cover, it is blue with the white polka dots. Look at that name page. That's so pretty. So, so pretty. Hello. So I use a monthly for my work planner. I combine it with the dashboard. I don't know if I'm going to be doing that next year or not. I think so. And I may switch to this planner in July. Who knows? But here we have the calendar for 2023 and 2024. Here's our year at a glance pages. There's just subtle polka dots in the middle there. Okay, so the currently page. And by the way, I haven't looked at these yet at all, because I like to do it with you guys. I like to be surprised and show you my first reactions. So I've never seen this currently page ever. This is brand new. It looks very different. And guess what they got rid of? Those little circles that I hated. I am really hoping that on the vertical planner, they got rid of this week's list, but I don't know yet because I haven't looked. So this currently page is really pretty. It's very simple. We have July 2023 at the top, priorities 1, 2, 3, important, and then take note, and then we just have some lines there. Here is the holidays for the month. It just says Independence Day there. This is a really pretty divider. Live the story you want to tell. This is what your monthly looks like. It's very similar to previous monthlies. The note section here is a graph paper area for you to do whatever you need, and then the rest is really neutral. Okay, so this looks really similar to previous monthly layout in the way it's set up. The best time for new beginnings is now. We have 3 habit trackers here. Check it off, note to self, monthly goals. We have a blank place here to put whatever you need. 1, 2, 3 priorities, and then a lined section there. Okay, and this is your daily tasks section. So what this is meant to be is like, you're gonna get like 30 or 31 sections here, like for each day, but you can use this for anything. In my planner, I use it for keeping track of the products I use in my videos so that when I go to link them, I know what products I used. But you can seriously customize the monthly layout to be whatever you want. And it's just so versatile. You can use it for so many different things. My printer's talking to me. Okay. Don't forget, little section down there. And then we have 2 lined pieces of paper here. And then we go right into August. Okay, so I think everything's going to be the same. And it looks like, you know how they used to alternate between like the little dots and the lines? Now it's just the dots in here. I don't know if that's for all of the Happy Planners yet because I haven't seen the other ones, but this is the first flip through I'm doing. But we'll see. We'll see. I like the fact that it's the same, and because I like the dots better actually, but yeah. So I'm just going to go through and show you the dividers now since we know what the guts look like, right? Create the life of your dreams for August. This is my birthday month. Ready? Ooh, pretty. Color the world with your own special kind of bloom. Foxes. Bunnies. Yep. Find joy in the small things. Enjoy every single day. That's so pretty. I love that. You are capable of many things. Choose adventure always. Bloom from within. Find happiness in the journey. These colors are so pretty. Ooh, look at that one. I love the symmetry of these. Live a colorful life. Free mind, brave heart, strong spirit. Colorful days ahead. Fill your head with dreams and your heart with wonder. It's a perfect day to start. Find the beauty in every day. That's gold foil there. So pretty. Have a brave heart. So pretty, right? Okay, so before I turn the page, I did something that I don't usually do for flip throughs. I prepared ahead of time. I'm learning, you guys, I'm learning. So this is the washi tape that we have for this collection. Look how pretty it is. Look, I swatched it before I started the video. I know, look at me go. So here we have it. I put it in this planner. It's so pretty. This washi tape is beautiful. I don't know. It's something very appealing about it. The colors are beautiful. So I'm just going to show it to you up close and personal. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. So you have different sizes and stuff. Yeah, I really like that washi. So let's check out the back. We have a little note page. It says take notes. That little bunny there with the sun coming out. Oh my gosh, plan a happy life. And then the back is black and it just says Happy Planner. Is it black or is it, no, it's dark blue. So love this planner. I think it's so cute. And yeah, let's go on to check out the sticker book now. Here we have the Nordic Brights sticker book, 695 stickers in this baby. Like I said, I haven't seen any of these stickers yet, so I'm so excited. So here's ones that look like those dividers, right? So some of the same quotes like choose adventure always, live a colorful life, just bloom, find joy in the small things. And these have a little bit of gold foil on the page. And then you have the flags in the middle. We have long box stickers here. Take note. These are for the sidebar. They could really be for anything, but I like putting them in the sidebar. Get it done, plan on it, rest and relax, hello today. And then we have some strip stickers in the middle. Those are on paper, and these are on clear. We have those pretty letters with the flowers in them. So pretty. I love that. Here we have some double box stickers. Create the life of your dreams. Find the beauty in every day. Get it done. And then some circles here. You're capable of many things. Find joy in the small things. Just bloom. Choose adventure always. It's a perfect day to start. You got this. Rise and shine, rest and relax, jot it down, get it done. Oh, so busy, rest your soul. Yeah. Super pretty color palette in this book. So pretty. The animals. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have some boxes here with gold foil, little headers on them. Appointment, focus on, important, meeting, and they have little itty bitty flowers on them. Here's some monthly boxes for you. I use these not just in the monthly. In fact, I don't usually even use them in the monthly. I put like little circles to cover up those, or I'll cut it like off. I wouldn't cut that one off the top because I'll cut his ears off, but you know what I mean? You can layer stuff on, layer box on top of them. You can do all sorts of things with these stickers. Look at these little circles at the bottom. How cute are they? The little flowers. Some shorter, long stickers here, long box stickers. We have header boxes here, little ones, little baby boxes. Hello today, plan on it, get it done, take note. These are great for the dashboard layout. We've got some double boxes here. Enjoy every single day. Jot it down. Bullet points. Look at these are cute. They look like little books. I know they're not, but oh so busy, plan on it, hello today, rise and shine. They're really cute. Note to self, have a brave heart. There's a lot of decorative stickers in here, like decorative boxes and stuff, which I like. We have some rounded stickers here on clear paper. Enjoy the moment. This is gold foil. Trust the journey, born to bloom. It's a perfect day to start. All sorts of really encouraging quotes. We have some more of these longer box stickers here and the smaller ones. And then we have the ones that are curved at the bottom, which if you don't like these, there are ways to change these up. You could like, I know these have like the little bullet points on them, but you could totally cut this here and put like a strip of washi. In fact, you could put a strip of one of these there. You know what I mean? Or like get this washi, put a strip of that. Like you can do anything. You can take it off the page and cut it on the bottom if you didn't like that. But I happen to like these. It really depends on my mood. Sometimes I don't want to use the ones with the rounded bottoms, but sometimes I do. I really appreciate that we're getting these long box stickers, like the super long ones. These are great for the big planner and the classic, really, but I like them in the big when they're that long. Look at those little gold flowers at the bottom and that little rabbit. I love the details in this. These are also monthly boxes. They're just different because they have it cut that way. Little flags. So now we're getting into more decoration here. These are on clear. Gorgeous stickers. Look at those. They are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look. Look at the detail in that. That's beautiful. We have some square boxes here, which are my favorite size boxes. Can you believe that? I know. I really love the squares. More very detailed, gorgeous stickers with gold foil on them. I also really like this size. Yeah. I know I should know which size like this is for, like which planner this is for, and I don't. Because I'm really bad at that. So if you notice in my flip throughs, if you watch me, sometimes I just don't know, which is why I don't say it. I think most people who are like professional influencers like know. They'll flip to this and go, oh yes, these boxes are for the blah 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 planner in this size. And I usually have no clue. But anyway, I love using them though. And I use every size sticker in every size planner. It does not matter. I mean, this is a classic size sticker book, but I use it in all my planners. It's really fun to use different sizes. Look at these squares. These are so cool. I love the little squares. You can make like little mosaics. I don't know. We have some quotes here on clear. Be filled with wonder, colorful days ahead, find the beauty in every day. All that kind of stuff. They're so pretty. More of these guys. And the circles. There's a lot of really pretty stickers in this. Ooh, bigger letters. Yeah. These are on clear. Look at these big letters. That's fun. You usually don't get letters this big in like a regular Happy Planner sticker book. So I like that. Because I'm always actually looking for this size letter sticker. Because it's like I have the small ones that are like this big. And then I have the really big ones. But I never have a medium size. So thank you, Happy Planner. I like that. Circles, always very flexible and decorative to put like little pops in your planner, little circles. And then here's some more clear quotes, but there's no gold foil on these. Similar quotes, you know, it's a perfect day to start, that kind of thing. So that's a really pretty sticker book. I actually really like that. I knew I was going to like it from, you know, just the cover, but Really like that. So that is the Nordic Brights collection. Again, my link will be in the description box. So appreciative when you use that link. You could just bookmark it and click it on that day. Really, really would appreciate that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little flip through. Check out my playlist for all the other flip throughs of the new products that I received from the Happy Planner. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.